Even if you are sitting properly, the direction is very important. What is the direction that you should avoid? You should not face south. You can just face east or west or even north, no problem. But don't face south while studying. Not only studying, our elders say even while sleeping, while doing meditation, while doing eating. In fact, even the dead bodies are not kept facing south. You see, the head will be kept to the other sides, not to the north. If the head is kept to the north means it faces south, it is avoided. What could be the reason? I will tell you the scientific reason. It has been researched by Madras Institute of Magnetobiology, a research institute, and found out the reason. That is this. We all know Earth is a big magnet. It has got magnetic field and our brain is full of electrical impulses. So electric field is there inside the brain. Now this magnetic field will have influence on the electric field. That is simple physics. So now when you just face south, it has been experimentally found out that our brain is very much influenced by the magnetic field of the earth. As a result, your concentration suffers. This our ancestors thousands of years ago knew it and they advocated you not to face south while reading, while doing meditation, while sleeping, even while eating also they said. Well, so don't face south while studying. You can face any other direction. Best thing is face the sun's direction. That is morning face east, afternoon face west. That will be ideal. But avoid south.